Hey everybody, it's Mr. Vance here, and today I want to show you how to draw ribbons. Using the examples that I have, it says to start with two curved parallel lines. So we're going to make an arch shape, and below it we're going to make the same exact line. And then we're going to add 4 angled vertical lines, so more like diagonal lines. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it says to add the bottom edge of the ribbon. And so now we want to take this right here, have this turn and go off to the side. And we're going to do the same for the other side. And there's these 2 little angles right here. The next step says to close the ribbon ends and add cracks for an aged appearance. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. And so I make some zigzag lines. And let's go ahead and add some of these. It's almost like little triangles, but they're jagged. And let's see what else. And now I want to erase some of these overlapping lines to make it look as if the tatters are real. Okay, let's go from there. Oh yeah, I want to go over my outlines just a little bit. Tidy them up. Alright, so it says to finish the ribbon with words and to go ahead and shade this. So let me go ahead and show you some shading techniques. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some lines right here that I see in the book. And these 2 lines are going to help to make it look like a ribbon in just a second. So there's another line that goes right here on both of these. And now the last step, I really just got to get into shading some of this. So anywhere there's a fold, you want to go ahead and lightly color it one time. And we're going to leave this little strip right here. We're going to leave that with no shading. On the other side of that, at the edge right here, we're going to make it a little bit dark, and as we work our way to the edge of this banner, we're going to lighten up. We're not going to press down on the pencil as much. So it's kind of like a plane on a runway. The tires are on the ground over on this side next to the banner, and as we get over to the edge, we slowly lift up to eventually the pencil's not even touching the paper anymore. And we do that for the other side. Right next to the banner, we're going to have some dark shading, but as we get closer to the edge of the banner, we slowly lift up the pencil, and the reverse is true. As we get closer to the banner, we press down. So I can spend more time making these details, but I really want to show you if we leave a blank little line next to this banner at the edge and shade going towards the middle of this banner, we lighten up, it starts to have this effect where it looks like the banner is closer to you. And I'm going to blend this a little bit with my finger, just to give it that appearance that it's, you know, it's part of this. It's been blended in. Go ahead and clean my finger off afterwards. And I like to drag the eraser across right where the highlight would be, or the shiniest part, just to go ahead and blend that a little bit more, make it look smoother. And that would be the banner.